So finally I've got the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, which we are going to unbox today. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So the variant that I have here is Glacier White 6GB 128GB variant, and this is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. This has a quad camera setup, 4 camera basically, and for the features they have artificial intelligence feature as well for the camera shooter. So the primary camera is 64 MP and the selfie camera is going to be 32 MP. Basically they say that it's going to be an in-screen camera which should be flush. It should not be evidently visible. So let's see how exactly it is. And not only that, they are also claiming that this is going to be a full HD plus display. They have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for both front and back of the phone. And also this has a 33 watt fast charger in box, and also it has a 5020 milliamp hour type battery. So let's see how exactly this goes. This also has type C reversible connector, where this is a common standard right now. So let's see how exactly this looks. So this should have the paperwork and stuff. I'll actually check that later. This is the phone itself. Looks neat. Really neat. It's very good actually. The quad camera setup looks very good to be, the first impressions are really good. And I suppose it has a fingerprint reader here in the power button. In fact, I did not go through the features completely, so this is just the first impression. Nice. Okay, so they mentioned it's an in-screen camera, and it is pretty evident, so I actually expected that to be flush. I think that technology is still not in the market. So great. The first impressions are very good. Let's keep the phone aside. So I think in this we have some paperwork. Yes. Oh nice, they have given a case as well in this, a silicone case. Good. And the SIM ejector too. Let's see. Okay, they have a charger. A connector. I think that's about it. I don't have anything else, I guess. Okay, technically there's nothing else. I expected a headset, but there is no headset in here, technically speaking. So that's it guys. So that's the Glacier White Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Looks very good. Let me start this, and let me start using the phone, and maybe I'll record my views once after I use this phone. So this is the contents of the box itself. So there's nothing special. probably before you guys could go and buy, we can just take a quick look of it, and then this should give you an idea of what is provided in the box. Thank you, and stay tuned.